Today we're diving into the Phat satellite INTL 300ft, made in USA direct burial RG11 Coax cable. This cable is built tough for outdoor and underground applications, boasting a 14 AWG RG11 specification with 3x shields, 77% braided and dual-layer foil to protect against signal interference. It's tested for 75 ohms and features gel-coated braids that shield against moisture and soil acidity, ensuring durability and longevity. The connectors are a standout feature, crafted from anti-corrosion brass with dual O-rings for superior weather sealing. They employ a self-collapsing design and continuous grounding technology, which is crucial for maintaining signal integrity in diverse conditions. This cable isn't just rugged, it's versatile too. It's ideal for HD over-the-air antennas, satellite TV setups, ham radios, and even cellular signal boosters. With lower signal loss compared to RG6 cables, it's optimized for high-performance applications like HD digital cable TV and cable modem internet. Manufactured in the USA with a blend of domestic and foreign components, each cable is custom-cut and assembled to order, ensuring flexibility for various project requirements. Whether you're setting up a home entertainment system or enhancing your communication network, the Phat satellite INTL RG11 Coax cable promises reliability and performance that's hard to match. For anyone looking to invest in a robust, American-made coaxial cable that excels in both durability and signal integrity, the Phat satellite INTL 300ft RG11 Coax cable stands out as an excellent choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.